In life, we all face challenges that test our limits, moments when giving up seems like the easiest option. But what if I told you that the worst thing you could do is to give up? Life is full of obstacles. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to doubt ourselves, to question whether our efforts are worth it. But I'm here to tell you that every setback, every failure, every moment of doubt is just another opportunity to grow stronger. I know it's not easy. I've been there myself. But I also know that giving up is never the answer. It's during our darkest moments that we have the opportunity to shine the brightest. Think about some of the most successful people in history. Did they achieve greatness by giving up at the first sign of difficulty? Of course not. They persevered. They pushed through the pain, the doubt, and the fear, and emerged stronger on the other side. So, how do we keep going when the going gets tough? How do we find the strength to persevere in the face of adversity? It all starts with a mindset. You have to believe in yourself, even when no one else does. You have to trust that every challenge you face is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become the person you are meant to be. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who believe in your dreams, and who inspire you to keep going, even when it feels impossible. And remember, you are not alone. We are all in this together. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember these words. The worst thing you can do is to give up. Keep pushing forward, keep striving for greatness, and never, ever lose faith in yourself. Thank you for watching, my friends, and remember, no matter what challenges you may face, you have the power to overcome them. The worst thing you can do is to give up.